In order to eject SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we need to take a look at one of the sides of the smartphone. We should be able to find the SIM tray very easily. It is located over here. There is also the SIM tray hole, and we need to use the eject tool that we can find inside the box, for example, to put it into this SIM tray hole. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put it in, just like that. And then once it is in, you want to push it into the phone with just a little bit of pressure. You don't want to use too much pressure, but just enough so that the SIM tray slightly pops out. And once it does, you can use your fingernails and fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the device. And there we go. This is how it looks like. As you can see, here we have just one SIM card slot, and we need to match the shape and just put the SIM card into its slot. So let's try to do that. There we go. You want to be actually pretty careful when trying to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. You probably want to keep holding with one finger the SIM card over here, just in case, so that you don't lose it by accident. And now we just have to put it back into the smartphone. So let's just slide it in with your finger. There we go. Just put it all the way in. Make sure that it doesn't stick out or anything like that, in order to avoid causing damage later on to the phone by accident. And if it doesn't want to go all the way in, you might want to remove this SIM tray again to make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted. Leave a like and subscribe.